Statue and Birds by Louise Bogan, published in Body of This Death in 1923, read by Frank Blissett. Here in the withered arbor, like the arrested wind, straight sides, carven knees, stands the statue, with hands flung out in alarm or remonstrances. Over the lintel sway the woven bracts of the vine in a pattern of angles. The quill of the fountain falters, woods rake on the sky their brusque tangles. The birds walk by slowly, circling the marble girl, the golden quails, the pheasants closed up in their arrowy wings, dragging their sharp tails. The inquietudes of the sap and of the blood are spent. What is forsaken will rest. But her heel is lifted. She would flee. The whistle of the birds fails on her breast. That was Statue and Birds by Louise Bogan, published in Body of This Death in 1923, read by Frank Blissett.